So this easy math problem has everyone confused. How? They solve it like this: 1 plus 1, 2, and 6 multiplied 2 as 12, and 24 divided by 12 as 2, which is a wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. When in an expression like this, 24 divided by 6 in bracket 1 plus 1, when you have given multiple operation like division, bracket, and in bracket there is an addition, then you have to always follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first we have to solve the bracket, then of, then division, multiplication, then addition and subtraction. So first solve the bracket, that is 1 plus 1, 2, and if there is no sign between the number and the bracket, then put multiplication. Now we have division and multiplication, and we know that both have same priority. But what people forget, that we have to always solve from left to right. So it's 24 divided by 6 times 2. It's 4 times 2, 8. What is the correct answer? 8, not 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.